Today, we take a deeper look at a story that has dominated conversations in Zimbabwe, not because of the announcement itself, but because of what the outcome reveals about power, protection, and how the system works. But before we get into why Wikno Chivayo's clearance was predictable, let's start with the background, the events that led Zimbabweans to question whether an investigation was even possible. How the controversy started. After the 2023 general elections, allegations surfaced claiming that businessman Wikno Chivayo had been involved in a US $100 million tender deal to supply election materials to the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC. These allegations blew up online, spreading through leaked audios, documents, and political commentary, all suggesting Chivayo may have benefited from a lucrative contract tied directly to the running of the election. A Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZAC, eventually stepped in, launching what they described as a lengthy investigation. Many Zimbabweans were waiting to see whether this would be the moment when a high-profile, politically connected figure would finally face real accountability. And then the expected happened. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission cleared Wikno Chivayo, saying there was no evidence. But that's not the real story. The real story is why this outcome was never going to be different. Chivayo's political position beyond business. To understand the outcome, you must understand the man. Wikno Chivayo is not viewed by critics as a normal businessman. For years, he has been publicly aligned himself with President Mnangagwa and the ruling establishment, financially, politically, and socially. He donates cash to the officials, he funds ruling party-linked events, he defends the government online and offline. This has earned him a reputation, fair or not, as the president's runner. In Zimbabwe's political climate, someone in that position is seen as protected, not prosecuted. So the idea that the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission could genuinely go after him was from the start seen by the public as unrealistic. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission's biggest challenge has always been perception. Citizens believe the commission is powerful only when dealing with ordinary people, junior officials, or political opponents. But when a case involves someone connected to the ruling elite, analysts say the commission becomes passive, cautious, or symbolic. So when the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission cleared Chivayo, many Zimbabweans simply shrugged and said, of course, what else did you expect? Because of the public, Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission cannot realistically investigate someone seen as politically vital. The witness silence, fear versus evidence. ZAC's explanation was that witnesses failed to provide enough proof. But here's the deeper truth analysts point out. In Zimbabwe, witnesses rarely come forward against politically protected individuals, not because evidence doesn't exist, but because they feel political backlash, they fear losing jobs, they fear being targeted, or they believe nothing will change even if they speak. So the lack of evidence isn't necessarily a sign of innocence. It's a sign of a system where truth depends on courage that few people can afford. Institutional survival, protecting the powerful. In a country where institutions operate under political influence, going after the wrong person can be costly, professionally and personally. State bodies naturally calculate their moves. They know who is safe to investigate and who is not. Someone like Chivayo, influential, visible, and close to the power, falls in the category that institutions avoid confronting. And that's why the clearance was not just predictable, it was procedurally inevitable. Public reaction. This was decided from day one. Across social media, the public reaction has been consistent. No one is surprised. Zimbabweans saw this end long before ZAC issued its conclusion. They believe the system was designed to protect the powerful, not expose them. For many, the only shock would have been the opposite outcome, Chivayo being actually charged. So, yes, ZAC has cleared Wikno Chivayo of all allegations, but the real headline is not the announcement, it's the system behind it. A system where political loyalty provides protection, institutions know their limits, witnesses stay silent, and high-profile investigations end before they even begin. Until that system changes, Zimbabweans already know the ending of every story involving the powerful. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.